The desert biome is the hottest biome. The desert has approximately 1 inch of rain each year. The average temperature of the sand is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's day, the air temperature can vary from 100 degrees Fahrenheit and higher. But when it's night, it can vary from 32 degrees Fahrenheit and lower.
The javelina lives in the canyon area of the desert. They live there because it's bushy for shade and water pools everywhere, because they can't survive long without water. They eat cacti, grass, bulbs, berries, flowers, mushrooms, and fruit, which is easy for them to get in their habitat. Females give birth to twins about 2 times a year. They also have a good population. Javelinas have a good nose for advantage against predators. They look for food in groups, so a great number of them don't get killed.
The banded Gila monster is a very shy animal, but can strike quickly with deadly force. It can grow up to 2 feet long. It has pink, red, and black bands on its body to warn predators that it is poisonous. It also has dry skin because it cannot afford to lose fluid.
The thorny devil has the ability to change colors to match their environment. They hide in small shrubs to protect themselves from predators. They eat ants. Buzzards eat the thorny devil. Also, the thorny devil is endangered. People try to protect the thorny devil from harm.
I'm going to tell you about the coyote. It has different colors that help it blend in with its surroundings in the desert. They have sharp hearing, good eyesight, and sense of smell. They grow up to 4 feet long, including the tail, which can be 11 to 16 inches. They have adapted to many different types of habitats, like deserts, prairies, and mountains. Coyotes have even been found on Cape Cod. Coyotes eat mostly bunnies and rodents. They also hunt antelope, goats, sheep, and deer. Other animals, they will eat insects and reptiles. Dead elk and deer, as well as cattle, will become the main food in northern winter time. Coyotes will also eat fruit and nuts. They also eat garbage. Most coyotes live alone or in pairs. They might live together in larger groups. Coyote families guard and mark their own areas. Pups are born in spring, and a female can have 3 to 12 pups. Both parents care and feed the pups. Coyotes are not endangered.
Now I'm going to talk about the armadillo lizard. The armadillo lizard is a ground lizard. Its nose holes are tiny tubes on its head. It eats a variety of insects, spiders, and other invertebrates. It grows up to 15 to 17 inches long. It has a shell all around its body, except its stomach. It's also pretty fast to catch its prey. It's very handy to keep the bug population down.
The barrel cactus has rings of yellow, green, or red blossoms at its top. It is used for Native American food, and they get water to drink from the pulp. Native Americans made fish hooks from the spines, which are pointed at the tips. The barrel cactus is found in the Mojave Desert.
The subtree yucca is found in the Sonora and Chihuahua Desert, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and northern Mexico. The subtree yucca can be 10 through 18 feet tall. It has palm-like leaves that is the base of the plant. Humans use subtree yucca for soap. Cattle use it for emergency food for droughts. Some humans use it to weave baskets used for decorations.
I'm going to tell you about the saguaro cactus. It has waxy skin and needles to protect itself from predators. The saguaro grows about 1 inch a year. Some of the animals in the desert live in or eat the cactus. Pocket mice, pack rats, and many other small rodents eat the saguaro. The spines on the cactus help it save water because they can expand. It doesn't need much water at a time. The cactus is resourceful when humans need the water in the desert.
The animals and the plants, like cacti, make what you usually think of when people say desert. And all of that makes it fit together to call it the desert. The end.